Okay. This is the last topic, the frequently occurring defect to avoid similar defect submissions. First, this prohibited contents is usually found in the content review period. First, link to the third-party purchasing site. It's not Samsung application store is prohibited. And next one is limited number of access. Although you purchase the full version, but this application shows a limited number of access. Usually trial version must have this kind of designs. And next example, prohibited contents is some defamation of politicians. Yeah, so the original value, their original value could be damaged. So please do not use this kind of contents. Yeah, okay.
I mean, is there a
legal
reason?
Yeah.
Do not use political content?
You can use it's
political satire, right? You're not allowed to do political satire?
Usually we are not accepting the political, political things. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, yes. And next is this kind of display error. This kind of defect are usually occurs. Usually you can we can find in device test page. Here is the resolution is too big or too small, and in this example shows some piano program, but just images overlapped. How can you avoid this kind of errors? Actually, Samsung provides a lot of some simulators and remote test facilities, and you can use that before you make a submission, and then you will free of this kind of problems. Next is application concept error. Your application has some application specific designs, and then please make some checklist for your own specific designs. In general cases, we provide some self checklist, and then you can run that self checklist. But specific ones, please make your own checklist and then submit the applications. Interruption errors. In this example shows when some SMS message comes and then just the application just simply dies. So if like this, if you don't know how to handle the interrupt, you can consult a bada tech person how to handling this kind of interrupt, and then your problem will be resolved. And hardware key error. Application itself is okay, but when you accidentally just push the hardware key, like in this case, when you push the camera key and then just shows black screens. Also, how can you avoid this kind of errors? It's simple. Just pop up the messages, and your application cannot support some hardware key like that, and then your application will be passed. Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, right. And last example, the rotation errors. In here, the portrait mode, this ping pong game looks fine, and you can move this racket down and play the ping pong. But in the landscape mode, when you rotated it to here, the bottom of the screen was just cut, and then you cannot move this. If your application just supports portrait and landscape mode together, it is best. But if you're optimized for one mode, please block another mode, and then your application will be passed, and no problem. Yeah. Okay, so far I explained some certification process and developer support, and some defect examples. Now I just want to make my conclusions here. Samsung provides clear guidelines and continuous support. With these developers, you can save development effort and cost. And Samsung can obtain good application timely. So to make this really happen, so our close cooperation is the key. And so let's make a success story in Samsung apps. This is all I have today. Thank you.